Alright, here. Creating a watermark. Alright, let's see. Say you want to create a watermark or logo that represent you. So let's just say I randomly create a okay, let just for example, if you're gonna create it in paint. Alright, let's do that and paint it black and T. Okay. So your logo is T. Alright, if you're gonna do it on paint or any paint program, it's always better you well, let's just say this is your logo, right? What you want to do is crop it down to this. The reason for that is that you don't have all this extra part. You know what? Okay, look what happened when I save it as this. Okay, alright, desktop logo. Okay, so on Blender, normally I would add a video. Alright, it doesn't matter over here. Let's just say so. Oops. Alright, say this. A video. And then you want to add a logo. So you go to image. Add, you go image, and you go say your save logo. This is what happened when you have all these extra. That's not the actual size, but you know, normally this is the length. So you want to add your logo, and well, normally you would go alpha over, and then you have your video, and there you have your logo, right? But it didn't look quite right, right? Because of all this extra layer. Yeah, so if you just have a square like this, it's much easier. You can just simply crop it down precisely, right? And you save it, go ahead, refresh, there. Now it's much better, right? Well, it doesn't really look quite what you wanted yet because you want it to be blend with the video, right? So all you have to do is go to opacity and just lower it down there. Now it's blend. It's pretty much see-through, you know, rather than this very solid see-through, but it's not clean enough, so you want to clean it out a little bit better. But I mean, what if you have a more complicated one, which is like a circle, right? A circle logo. Well, what you can do, you can open up GIMP, which is free to use. I got GIMP. Taking a while to load. Damn, that take forever. What's going on? Oh, it's updating. I see. I haven't used this in a while, so I decided to make this video for the logo. Well, you don't call it logo. I probably call it. We call it watermark. Yeah, watermark. All right. Again, just go to file. Go. Actually, no. Where did I go again? Is it preference? No, not preference. Take new. Go advanced. Fill transparency. There. Now you have this background here, which is very important. So you go back to your paint, use the select tool. Say your logo or your watermark is a circle. Just grab everything. This for more deformed shape, you know. You make it much easier when you go here, paste your logo here. Right, go to this magic wand tool, click onto this, press delete. Alright, now you have this complete circle, and all you have to do is export this out, call it logo 1, export. Alright, now I could pretty much close this. I don't really need this anymore. Discard change. Okay, so let's get back to here. Now, as always, go add image. Oh, where did I save it as? Uh-oh. Damn it. I have to go find it again. Cancel. Where did I save this as? Can't believe it's taking a... Alright, cool. Hurry up. Alright, let's see. Let me try again, new. And then export as. I save it as document. Okay. Alright, document. Alright, I go to image, document. Here it is. Okay. Now I have this circle logo. You see, it clean up all the, you know, it will make a logo look cleaner rather than you have these extra layers of stuff that you don't really need. So as always, on this part right here, blend, you go alpha over. Alright, and if you don't transform this like I did right here earlier, make sure you hide this whenever you did a transform. But anyway, if you didn't transform there, you can always press image offset and you can still move this around. And you put it right here. And you lower your opacity. You know, it doesn't have to be black. It could be in any colors. You could. That's pretty much how you can make your watermark on your video. Cool. Alright. Hope this helped you all. Take care.